but that is the last thing in the world that you want is some 24-year-old with a psychology degree that's never even smoked pot to see you through a psilocybin journey or a 5-MeO journey or, fill in the blank with whatever medicine. So I don't know that we'll stop it, but we can do our best to make it difficult for them, right? And we do that by holding safe and ethical ceremonies, right? And that responsibility is on the practitioner and the client, right? The practitioner needs to have all the boxes ticked off. If you're taking someone through a big experience, you need to have emergency plans. You need to be safety, just the basics, the fundamentals of CPR, first aid, how to use an AED, right? And you need to know your medicine. And something that we really preach is building a relationship with the medicine. Now, I know everybody wants to go into some grand journey with lots of fireworks, whether it's 3 cups of ayahuasca or a bufo blast off into pure ego dissolution. I get it. We're intrigued by what's beyond the veil. But you have to remember why you come to these things in the first place, right? It's exciting to know what happens beyond death, but if you're not ready for that experience, it's going to shatter you. And if you're shattered from a psychedelic experience, people notice that. People talk about that, right? So that's why our philosophy is build a relationship with the medicine. Start at these you don't have to necessarily have a breakthrough your first one. Just get comfortable with the energy of it. Let it teach you how to trust it, right? Sometimes when we go into something too big, it feels too overwhelming, and then it becomes very hard to trust. And if you can't trust, you can't surrender. And if you can't surrender, how much are we actually getting out of this? So that's why we say if you're going to start on this path, this medicine path, start with what's manageable. The ego dissolutions, the soaring across the universe, that will come. But once you've built a relationship with it, once you're familiar with the energy of it and you can surrender to those experiences, effortless, it changes the whole thing. Now it's something that's manageable.